In today's Instagram tutorial video, we'll show you how you can search and find a specific message in your Instagram conversations. So if you need to find a specific message that you've sent to some friend or some group chat, then watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you how you can do just that. Firstly, make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram application installed on your device. You can do that by going over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and simply update Instagram if it has some pending updates. We will then open our Instagram application and open the conversation in which we need to find the specific message. Once you're in the conversation, you can simply click on the person's name in order to go over to the conversation details. But if you have an older version of the app, you will see a little eye icon at the top right, and you can click on that. You now want to click on this little magnifying glass icon that says search. Or you will see a button called search in conversation or something like that. That is what we need to click on, and all we have to do is to type the word or couple of words that are contained in that message. I'm going to type the keyword how, because I want to find all the messages that have this word in it. And when I click on the search, it's going to give me a list of all the messages in this conversation that have the how keyword in it. It will also show me a date next to the message, so I can know when that specific message was sent. I can see that the first message was sent on January 28th, so when I click on that message, it will open the part of the conversation in Instagram, which I had on January 28th and between. I can use this little trick to find old messages and old parts of a conversation with someone. That's essentially how you can search for specific messages in Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.